Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will explore varieties of backyard greenhouse idea. So let's start our video. Backyard greenhouses offer an enhancing escape into the world of gardening, allowing you to extend your growing season, nature, aquatic plants, and even embark on years around gardening adventure. We will explore varieties of backyard greenhouses ideas from small and budget friendly steps to larger, more intricate structures, inspiring you to create your own historical haven right in your backyard. The classic glass greenhouses exude charm and elegance, constructed with glass walls and a sloping roof in providing optimal light exposure and temperature control. This type of greenhouse can be designed as a learn to against wall or freestanding in your backyard, creating a picturesque addition to your landscape. If you are on a budget, consider a polycarbonate greenhouse. This cost-effective alternative to glass offer excellent insulation and UV protection while being lightweight and durable. With various size and style available, you can find the perfect fit for your backyard space. For those who limit space, a lawn to greenhouse in excellent choice. It attached to an exciting structure like a house or garage. Utilized one wall as a shaded structure. This design maximizes sunlight exposure and can be an efficient use of space, extending your growing season without the need for a large structure. High tunnel greenhouses are unheated semicircular structure covered with plastic or polythene films. They are ideal for extending the growing season in colder climates and offer an affordable option for backyard gardener. Get creative by upcycling old windows, doors, or other materials to construct a unique greenhouse with creator. Not only does this approach reduce waste, but it also adds a touch of personality to your garden.